Welcome to this comprehensive guide on best practices for GoHenry Parent Account. As a parent, managing your child's finances can be a daunting task. But with GoHenry, you can teach your kids the value of money and help them develop good financial habits. First, let's start with setting up your parent account. To do this, you will need to download the GoHenry app and sign up for an account. Once you have created your account, you will need to add your child's information and set up their account. You can add multiple children to your account, making it easy to manage their finances in one place. Next, you will need to fund your child's account. You can do this by setting up a regular transfer from your bank account or by making a one-off payment. You can also set up a weekly or monthly allowance for your child, which will be transferred into their account automatically. One of the key features of GoHenry is the ability to set tasks for your child to complete in order to earn money. This can be anything from doing chores to getting good grades. You can set the tasks and the amount of money your child will earn for completing them. This is a great way to teach your child the value of hard work and responsibility. Another important feature is the ability to set spending limits and restrictions on your child's account. You can set a daily or weekly spending limit, and you can also restrict certain types of purchases, such as online transactions or transactions at specific merchants. This helps to ensure that your child is not overspending and is making responsible financial decisions. It's also important to regularly review your child's account activity with them. This will help them to understand where their money is going and to make better financial decisions. You can use this as an opportunity to teach your child about budgeting and saving, and to help them set financial goals. In addition to these features, GoHenry also offers a range of educational resources to help your child learn about money management. These resources include videos, quizzes, and games, and are designed to be fun and engaging while also teaching your child important financial skills. Finally, it's essential to lead by example and demonstrate good financial habits yourself. Children often learn by observing their parents, so make sure you are modeling the behaviors you want your child to adopt. This includes being responsible with credit, saving regularly, and making smart financial decisions. By following these best practices and using the features of GoHenry, you can help your child develop good financial habits and a healthy relationship with money. Remember to regularly review your child's account activity, set clear expectations and rules, and lead by example to help your child become financially literate and responsible.